Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at comparing the buttons locations between the iPhone 12 Pro versus the iPhone 13 Pro. So I have a few people wanting to know if the buttons are at the same location or if they are higher or lower. So on my left hand is the iPhone 12 Pro and on my right hand is the iPhone 13 Pro. So let's put them side by side so you can take a look at the buttons. So on the right hand side here are the side buttons. These buttons allow you to switch on or switch off the screen. And you can see here on the iPhone 12 Pro the buttons are higher up on the top to the top. And on the 13 Pro, which is the gold version, it is slightly down, maybe half a centimeter down from the top right here. Okay, so it is lower on the iPhone 13 Pro. And if we go to the left hand side, and I'm just trying to position so that it is at the same height. Now both devices are almost the same height. It looks identical, completely identical, same height, same width. However, the buttons are in a different locations. Now this is I'm just gonna move it to this side. So again, this is iPhone 13 Pro and this is 12. So on the right hand side, the silent button, the volume up and volume down keys are also lower on the iPhone 13 Pro. So here you can see, if I turn it this way, it's just gonna wipe it so you can see it clearly. So here it is. So again, it is around I would say maybe over half centimeter lower. So they are lower. The buttons seem to be the same size. So if we put it side to side by side, the buttons looks almost identical, as you can see right here, almost the same size. Although the 13 Pro seems to be slightly bigger. It's very hard to tell, but it feels like it is a little bit bigger. And the SIM trade on the iPhone 13 Pro is near the middle, whereas the 12 Pro it is near the bottom right here. Both of them are on the left hand side, and one is in the middle. The other one, the iPhone 12 Pro, is near the bottom. And if we go to the bottoms, we've got charging port. They are pretty much in the same location. I think with the 13 Pros, it is a little bit the holes here are moved towards the center a little bit right here. So again, it looks almost identical, but the 5 little holes right here, it is closer to the charging port. And with the finish, so if we look at this here, it is matte finish. They are both matte on the back glass. So this glass here are not glossy. The logo, the Apple logo, is glossy, but you can see the logo is glossy, but the back glass finished is matte, not gloss. And so we now look at the camera. The location of the cameras are both the same, except on the 13 Pro the lens are a lot bigger, as you can see right here. The size of the flash looks identical. So it looks like it's almost the same size, as well as the lidar sensor, the same size. And the location of the microphone is a little bit further apart on the iPhone 13 Pro. And so that's it. That's all the buttons on the iPhone. Now if we go to the front of the display, and if we look carefully, you can see on the iPhone 13 Pro at the bottom here, this is the 12 Pro, you have the ear speaker just below the edge. half a centimeter, maybe, yeah, just around half a centimeter below the edge, whereas on the iPhone 13 Pro, the e-speakers and the microphone are all the way to the edge, right here, on the edge of the display. And the camera, the selfie camera on the iPhone 12 Pro is located on the right hand side of the speaker, and on the 13 Pro, the selfie camera is right here on the left hand side of the e-speaker. And so that is about it. And with the iPhone 13 Pro, the notch is a little bit smaller than the iPhone 12 Pro. And so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.